Yeah, yeah, this one gonna be a little different right here. A lot of y'all don't know I'm more than just a race car enthusiast. I also enjoy bug watching. You know, in my home state, Mississippi, we have a lot of these, so I grew up around them. But what I'm referring to is the 18 years cicada. A lot of people hear them at nighttime. It sound like a rattlesnake in the trees, but really it's a bug. It's rattling its exoskeleton and it makes a rattlesnake noise. But for whoever ain't never seen one or any, I'm gonna give y'all a close up and explain how it works. You see there, that's the empty exoskeleton. They shed their skin after they emerged out of the ground. That's what they turn into. They grow wings. Exoskeleton. It's more like a caterpillar and a butterfly type deal. And I've noticed since I've been in Texas these past 3 years, they have an abundance just like in Mississippi. This is what they look like when they first emerge out of the ground. You probably see a lot of little holes in the ground. That's what's coming out of them. And these, they've emerged, and now they're looking for a resting place where they can shed their skin and grow their wings. A lot of people don't know in a lot of foreign countries, these are delicacies. You'll see them in a lot of street food areas. They deep fry them. And, I mean, other than their pinchers, they're pretty harmless. I'm gonna put him back because he's looking for him a little spot to shed his skin. I don't mind him being on my vehicle. It really doesn't matter. It can't harm me or anything. It looked like he ain't found his spot. He's pretty settled. I give him another hour or so, he gonna be shedding his skin. If I got time, I'll come back out and do an update and let y'all see how they molting process work. Yeah, he's a pretty nice size one here. He's gonna be a big one. They be in different sizes. They got a little bitty one that half this size, and they get a little bigger. Yeah, I'll update y'all later on.